This video is to show how we would use the jog or rapid mode to move the head. So we would put it into rapid, and now you would use the buttons here on the keyboard to move the head and the gantry. You will have to be very careful with the Z that you don't crash the head into a sheet. We would go to jog mode, and we can do the same thing. It will just be slower.
So the only difference between jog and rapid is much faster and jog is more slower.
Right. Correct.
Okay.
And both of these need to be done with the door closed. You cannot do that with the door open. This concludes the video for the jog and rapid mode.